Stress is a common part of life, but it doesn't have to overwhelm you. Physical activities like exercise, deep breathing, and progressive muscle relaxation are excellent ways to release tension. Exercise, for instance, stimulates endorphins, which boost mood and reduce cortisol levels. Deep breathing techniques, such as the 4-7-8 method, help calm the nervous system, while progressive muscle relaxation teaches you to release physical tightness systematically. These practices are easy to incorporate into your daily routine, and can significantly improve both your mental and physical well-being. Mental relaxation techniques are equally vital in combating stress. Meditation and journaling are powerful tools that help focus your mind and process emotions. Meditation, particularly mindfulness meditation, allows you to stay present and reduce anxiety, while journaling gives you a safe space to reflect on your feelings and shift your mindset toward positivity. Creative outlets like crocheting, painting, or playing an instrument also offer therapeutic benefits by promoting a state of flow, where you're fully engaged in the present moment. Your environment plays a crucial role in your stress levels. Spending time in nature, decluttering your space, and reducing screen time are effective ways to create a calming atmosphere. A simple walk in the park or sitting by a window with a view of greenery can lower stress hormones. Similarly, organizing your living space reduces visual chaos, which helps clear your mind. Disconnecting from screens, especially before bedtime, minimizes overstimulation and improves focus, making it easier to relax and recharge. Lastly, prioritize self-care and social connections to alleviate stress. Practices like taking a warm bath, using aromatherapy, and ensuring quality sleep rejuvenate your body and mind. Laughter, sharing your feelings with someone you trust, or even volunteering can foster emotional balance and bring joy. By making these practices part of your routine, you can effectively manage stress and lead a more peaceful, fulfilling life. Start small, be consistent, and discover what works best for you.